2 quick and delicious ways to prepare famous as an instant soups. Number 1. Ramen. We just need the powder. We add the powder to boiling water. Sesame seed oil, soy sauce, chicken flavor bouillon. Mix very well. It's ready. Slice mushrooms. Add butter to the hot pan to cook the mushrooms. Pepper. Chicken flavor bouillon. Mix very well. Spam canned meat. Put them in the pan to brown them well. It's the soup's turn. We add it to the hot water. It's ready in 5 minutes. Green onion, my favorite. You've probably noticed by now, but it adds an exquisite flavor to many dishes. Sweet corn. Eggs to boil. Peel carefully. Add the soup to a bowl without water. Add the broth we made at the beginning. And finally, we add all the extras. It looks like a restaurant dish. And seriously, it's delicious. Number 2. K-pop style. We add the soup to the hot water. Add the 2 packets to a bowl. An egg yolk, mayonnaise, 2 slices of American chess, and mix the ingredients very well with a little hot water. This quick dish is my wife's favorite. Even though when I made it, she refused to try it just because it had egg yolk in it. I like to add this canned meat, cut into small cubes, to make it more filling. Add the soup without water and mix. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and tell me which one you're going to try.